The Works Committee. Did you discuss this matter? No, you have not.
You are chairman of Finance Committee.
Procedure, Madam Speaker.
Wrong. Wrong. That is wrong.
Procedure, Madam Speaker. Procedure, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, procedure. And now I'm officially receiving it in my office. What should make me cry if I'm doing my duty as a servant leader?
Yes.
I've come, I'm doing my job, and I don't want to jump anything. I want to procedurally follow what the law requires. The Honorable Minister has advised. It's up to me to take his advice or not. This is a guidance. It is not a legal instrument from the Solicitor General. And I've talked to my Honorable Minister as a colleague that I've received. Thank you very much for your letter. My executive is going to receive it, internalize it, discuss, and make appropriate action. I want to remind you, Honorable Councillor, that 4 times we are missing out with this name. Why should we continue leaving out other people who are ready to serve Mukono because of one special person? What special interest is vested in that important person? Moreover, when he has petitions of moral and integrity against that name, will it be fair if I stand before the podium and just pass out names? That's why I'm the chairman of the district who is empowered and authorized through executive to present names to you after completely analyzing, sieving, following the moral conduct, the integrity of the people, and referring to all relevant organs guide me. I want to tell you, Honorable Speaker, that the minister has not really helped us. Even one of the petitioners was being arrested and threatened not to come and continue with his support of the petition. Is that fair to the people of Mukono who elected us to give them justice and fairness? Not at all. I think I'm not going down at all. If it takes me years and years, I will continue with this. I stand open.
Aren't you tired of the confusion we are having? In the previous council, you presented to us the names here. You told us that we are waiting for the guidance from the ministry. With me, I'm having a honorable councillors. Last time, Honorable Kalinda said that this issue should be settled between me and the chairperson. I'm having a copy with me from the minister. It was sent to us on 18th. I received it on 18th. So I'm feeling offended as one who sits in an office. Chairperson, bwawulikikanga alimba. Bwabanga yatugamba receives the document. The copy I have with me from the minister, we received it on 18th. Secondly, we were waiting for the guidance of the minister, the line minister of local government. Why don't we humble in this August house, Chairperson? Why don't we humble ourselves and we do what's required of us? Where are we taking the district with this saga? Honorable members, me, I'm tired of everything of service condition. It makes me even cry. I'm having very much allegations about this. Chairperson, please, Chairperson, save our council from shame. Save us, please. Please. Let's have this resolved.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker.
That as a person, I'm not even interested in this. And I haven't received any money from this woman. But what concerns me are the urban authorities. And this person was appointed to us by the urban authorities. Chairperson, were the urban authorities served with the allegations and what action did they take?
That's why now they have started going on threatening them. Is that fair? Now I've received a communication from Haji Moses to Gongo, the vice chairman of NRM, ordering me to go ahead and present their name.
Can that
Is
go on
this
record?
fair? The matter is even becoming political. When I told you at first, when the lady and another gentleman made their petition to the minister, the first petition was, no council has refused to approve them because they are NRM. And I challenged the minister on both moral and integrity issues. Today, the minister is changing the goalpost to talk about having state technical officers to do the due diligence. What due diligence have they done? Meeting the cow, meeting with the other officers. Who was that person made? I think procedurally it would have been better to summon those people who petition, either in service commission or by the Minister of Local Government, but beginning now to chase around those people and intimidate them. You were the person who challenged me having presented those names because I've not made Stella Chiondo chairperson. And I said, these are my powers, Honorable Speaker.
Yes.
I don't enter in your seat to preside over this council. Leave me to do my work. When you wanted a person on the lands committee as chairperson, I offered him to do it. Then you want to take on your what is that? I don't want to miss my words, and my words are very clear.
I would like to thank the chairperson